This is the Museum of Contemporary Art, otherwise known as MOCA. It is in the Junction Triangle neighborhood of Toronto. The museum is housed in a retrofitted industrial building that was built circa 1919. I like coming here because they show some great exhibitions and I get to take some interesting photographs of architecture. Well, let's head in, it's freezing. The architecture of MOCA is notable for its mix of old and new. Right off the bat, when you enter the building, you'll notice the crude concrete mushroom columns, as well as the exposed steel beams and wiring on the ceiling that evoke the building's former life as a factory. These elements create a striking juxtaposition with the contemporary art showcased within.
your small plate.
Yeah. Step out.